welcome to my vlog. This is a very special vlog and a very important one because I am filming this in the midst of the coronavirus crisis that we're having in the world. It's an incredibly difficult time for everybody, and it's times like these when we realise how important it is to take care of ourselves as well as each other. So this little vlog is to kind of help you just focus in on how to stay well and stay healthy. And that's not just fitness. I know I'm a Pilates teacher and that is my passion, but my other passion, and it's just as strong, is taking care of our mental health as well. So feeling good in mind and body are so important. And that's what I wanted to talk to you about today. So obviously we're all in a situation right now, so I'm in the UK and here we're in a lockdown and we're being told to stay at home, and staying home saves lives, as we know, so that's what we're doing, and I am also following that very stringently. And whilst I'm doing that, I am trying to reach out to you all wherever you are in the world and provide some help, some support in whatever way I can through this lovely medium of YouTube and our community. So things I really want you to think about is, we're all in our houses. Some of us may be in very confined spaces. We're all in self-isolation. And that's really, really tough mentally. It's really tough, isn't it, to be not able to do the things that you want to do. And so what we need to do in the times like these is think about how can we put into place some practice that's really going to help us manage the anxieties that go with our situation, but also keep our health and our fitness going. So that really brings me to Pilates and why I do it, and why I think it'd be good for you too. It's always going to be good for you, but right now it's even more important to try and start some Pilates practice. Now, why is that? It's because, we think of, all of us, there's many Pilates teachers in the world, and I've got some fantastic colleagues all the way around the world. And what I've learned for myself is that Pilates helps me stay calm and stay centered, and it helps me just kind of be in the moment, and for the moments that I'm doing it, I'm not thinking about anything else. And I think that's what we really need right now, yes, because we're being inundated through social media and the television and the radio, etc., with all the things that are going on in the world that do create an awful lot of anxiety. And I think whilst it's important we stay informed, we also have to make sure we take that time out for ourselves to just kind of calm down and just be in our bodies, yeah. So I think that's my biggest message to you all, is try and switch yourself out of all that for a while and find a place in your house, in your lounge, in your bedroom, wherever, where you've got a little bit of space where you can lie down, you can put on the YouTube channel, you can pick one of my videos and you can just tune into my voice and just allow yourself to just listen and just follow. Because that amount of time, even if you do one of my short workouts that are 10 minutes, that amount of time will really, really help you. And I would also encourage anyone in your household to do the same, because it's taking that time out that really helps us stay calm. But it's also really going to help your body. And whilst we're all in this time where we can't really do anything else, we can't go out, can we? I know my own household, we're working, we're in different rooms trying to get on with our work, And you know, I've got friends with children, and that's incredibly hard when you've got young children who want to get out and do stuff, and both of you work full time and you're trying to get all that stuff done. So I think it's important to kind of try and put some kind of schedule there for you. So maybe, you know, think about what kind of person are you? Are you a morning person or are you an evening person? I'm an evening person, I have to say. I like staying up late and I function much better later in the day. So that's when I really go for my Pilates. That's when I really enjoy doing it later in the day because I'm kind of really ready for it then. But other people like to do it first thing in the morning. So think about what is the best time for you to exercise. And then every day, put that in your schedule, put it in your diary, put it in your phone diary, whatever it is, so that there's that moment every day that you know is yours to be calm, to just work on yourself and to help with your health and your well-being. And try and encourage everyone in the family to do the same, even the children, because I think if we all take a moment of quiet and calm, it is going to help us get through this. And you know, we could be here for quite a while, right? So anything we can do to manage our situation and to stay safe and stay well and to stay healthy will be very good. And yeah, it's something that I'm really passionate about, and I was asked recently to join the Stay In Workout campaign for Sport England, and I'm incredibly proud to be asked, and I'm incredibly proud to be supporting Sport England, who are providing a resource for everyone at home to find a workout that works for them. So you'll find me on there under the free workout section. And there's loads of other people on there. There's all sorts of different exercises, something for everybody. So really encourage you to get onto that if you can and have a look. And yeah, have a look at my channel. If you're new to Pilates, then you might want to think about starting with my beginners Pilates course. I've got sections 1 to 4. And I really recommend you do those, because if you work your way through those, by the time you've got on to 4, you will have a kind of a good idea of the fundamentals of Pilates, and then you can just go up a level or just pick and choose what you like. And what I've done on the channel, just to give you some idea of things to look for, is I'm trying to do a mix of standing work as well as lying down, because sometimes, you know, if you're sitting all day at home on your laptop doing your work, you might not want to lie down on the floor, might want to get up and do something. So there is a mixture there, and the standing work is really, really good, yeah, because it does challenge you quite a lot. So you've got your standing work, you've got some really good core workouts on there, and you've got some beginner workouts as well. There's lots, there's something for everybody. And oh, the sun's come out, can you see that? It's just lovely, it's just coming through the window. Yes, so if there's anything that you would like, then do write to me, because I'm here and I want to help you get through this really difficult time. And by helping you, you're also helping me as well. Yeah, because my passion is helping people feel better in their minds and bodies. And by doing that, that helps me too. So it's a win-win situation for us all. And yeah, I think that's all I want to say for now. And all I think I could only add to that is, please stay safe, stay home, look after yourselves, and don't forget to do your Pilates. All right, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.